So here's one term that's going to be ubiquitous no matter the programming language, and that's called a pure function. Now, what does that mean? It means that the function's going to be very predictable. The function is not really digging into any external content. It's not messing with it at all. Everything is happening inside that function, and it's going to produce a new result from that and give you the result, but you do what you want with the result, but here it is. So it's not even doing that. It's just giving you the result, and that's it. And it's like, okay, do whatever you want with it. Okay. Now it's safe since it's immutable. So what you're going to have is you're going to have possibly a new state created inside the functions where the values are changed. It does not rely on any outside help like global variables, except for the values that you pass in, and it returns a value without storing it. So there's no storage being done here. There really isn't. It's just doing its job, doing the variable, and then shipping it out, and then it's done with it. That's what a pure function is. Now, in the two examples that I have here, again, notice one scheme, the other one C++. Both of these are pure functions. Now, pure functions entails that depends on its arguments. Makes sense. Okay, you're grabbing something from the outside, but again, these are values that are being passed in, so we have a defined set. It's not coming from a global set. It'll return a value depending on the parameters, or the arguments. And notice where the pure function, what it doesn't have. Notice it does not print anything. Think about it. Printing is actually doing something external. It is actually going through a wire out to your monitor. That's changing states, and that's really doing something external. Not doing that. All it's doing is giving you the damn answer, and that's it. Okay. It does not depend on any global variables from outside resources, and it maintains. Or it does not manipulate any global variables as well. So notice it's very self-contained. It just worries about the couple of values or one value that's passed in, does its work, and then ships it back out. But notice, not every function that you're going to create suddenly is going to be a pure function. It's not. But if you can design it that way, then you're going to have less risk of an issue later on. And again, this is agnostic. You can do this for any programming language that you want. And again, it's something that you have to think of in design time, is to try to reach a purest function as possible, or many of them.